There, you can see that eye pop, can't you now? You can see this eye pop. Ladies and gents, every now and then I like to bring you a brand that is a female orientated, as in the creators behind the products are female. Today it's Nobucaremetics who have sponsored this video. Nobucaremetics are based in Europe, and their product range consists of products designed to help with our challenges we may face with our brows, eyebrows and our lashes. They've provided me a couple of products, the eyelash serum and the mascara. Right, so I've got minimal makeup on and I'm going to apply the serum, show you how to apply. This is organic, natural ingredients, no irritation. I've been using this for a while now. One sweep, so easy to use, and it hasn't bothered my eyes whatsoever. So just apply it then along the lid line. Well, this isn't going to work. Just one sweep along the lid line. Beautiful to apply. It is packed with biotin and peptides to encourage the growth of your lashes, but also to increase the life cycle of your lash. So as your lashes are less prone to breakage, your lashes are less prone to fall out as well. But it's very easy to apply. Nice and refreshing is how it feels. Cool and refreshing. Of course, you can do it in the bottom as well. It's the bottom lashes that I have the most problem with, or lack of lashes, let's say. It feels lovely, just feels lovely. Right, and I'll just leave that to dry. So a daily application of the serum to increase the life cycle of the lashes, and in 4 to 6 weeks, the aim is that you would see results. I've been trying this for 2 weeks, obviously it's too early to say. The Nobucaremetics was created by a group of women who realised that the makeup available on the high street actually didn't really necessarily address our mature needs, or those of us are challenged with falling out lashes or breaking lashes, either from maturity or from medical conditions, or from medical treatment of some sort. Right, the mascara, I have just put it on this eye. I was filming as I was putting it on, but I wasn't filming, sadly, but you can see the difference. Right, I want to show you how this comes off. And it's all I'm using is micellar water, micellar even, you know, whatever that's called. I'm using Superdrug's micellar water, all on my pad and not around my face. So now I've taken it off, let's apply it. It's a lovely vegan formula that just is wet, it coats and glides without causing friction on the lashes as it's coating. Buildable. There, you can see that eye pop, can't you now? You can see this eye pop. Right, just as I'm balanced, I better do the other eye, and now I am recording, so you can watch me apply it. So, just glides on. Well, actually you can't because I've got a mirror in my way. But you know what I mean. There. Just coating it. Just glides on. Takes it right to the ends of the lashes so easily. No dryness or clumping. Now the mascara is not just mascara. Mascara also has conditioning treatments in it as well to help the lashes extend their life cycle and encourage growth. So I'm nourishing my lashes as well as using mascara, which is brilliant. So it's 2 for 1 in the product really. So there's a couple of brow products as well, which I haven't tried because obviously I've got very full brows. But there's a conditioner that's like the eyelash serum in that it is full of peptides and nourishment to encourage and extend the life cycle of the brow hair. And there's also a mousse with pigment in, so as you're doing the cosmetic element of your brows. On the website you can see there's bundles, so you can actually, it's a little bit cheaper to buy, say, a set of mascaras or a set of mascara plus the serum or the brow set and so on. There's a variety of bundles, which is an economic way of getting the products, but also Nobu are offering you a 10% discount on your first purchase with my code.